Hey guys, what is going on? It's Dr. Lynn's here, and today we're gonna do another amazing legging review. And I really like these. You're gonna have to jump on them fast because they're selling out fast. But before I jump into it, let me give you my stats because I always forget to do that. Okay, I'm 5'3", 145, 150, bigger legs, smaller-ish waist. So hopefully that can help you size up to what I am wearing. So here we have the awesome Apex Seamless Leggings. They're brand new from Gymshark, and I'm going to tell you the things about them that I like, okay? And I'm going to compare them to the other ones that I have. All right, so with the ones that I have here, they are the purple / light purple, real original with the names of the colors, but hey, we know what we're getting. And I'm actually shocked with how much I really like this color. It is like a deep plum color almost for the whole legging, and then you have that interwoven, that light purple come into play, which I'm going to try to pick up all the details in these leggings. So the first thing I noticed when I opened the package was the Gymshark around the waistband, which is a cool little touch. I actually couldn't find the Gymshark logo, but it is on the front left hip. So they do still have their logo on the outside where you could see it a little bit more visibly. But before I get into all the details, let's go ahead and go over the overall fit. When I first put these bad boys on, oh my gosh, I was like, wow. Okay, these are really light feeling, and that is one thing that is super cool about these, is that being in the midst of summer right now, I would feel comfortable working outside in my garage gym in Florida and still feel cool in these. They do have what's called seamless ventilation to help keep areas cool, which is probably why they feel so lightweight. Now, in general, the waistband is pretty typical compared to their Vital seamless leggings. They still hold me in. They are high-waisted, which I absolutely love. Makes me feel nice and comfortable, which you can see in the video how I'm wearing them. The booty area on the back does have that slight little V up, which is nice because it does accentuate those glutes, which we want to do. We're putting in the work. We want to make it, them pop a little bit more. So the back of these leggings do that. One of my favorite parts about these leggings is actually on the front part. It kind of has this nice little tapering in of that light purple, and I feel like that really accentuates the waist, making it look smaller, and the hips a little bit bigger, quote unquote, but it gives a nice little hourglass looking figure, which again makes you feel really good when you're working out or just wearing them out and about. So I really love the Vital Seamless leggings from Gymshark, and when I'm comparing the Vital Seamless to these Apex ones, I love both of them, but what I did notice is that these feel and look like a little more silky. I don't know, it's not like silk, but like almost has a little more shine to them, which makes them really pretty looking. And I feel like these leggings are a little bit lighter in the fact of with that ventilation. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it does feel lighter, but they still hold you in, if that makes sense. Now let's get into the other little detailed designs of it. I talked about the front of the hip already, the Gymshark line above the band, or on the band, and then also we have the ones under the cheeks here, again accentuating the booty, and then we have it along the outside of the quad. Again, I feel like that really kind of accentuates that area, making it look nice and tight and accentuating that quad area, which is nice. Okay, so all in all, I really do love these leggings, but I may be still biased towards the Vital Seamless leggings because the price point is lower. I feel like they both look amazing. They both have great detail to accentuate the curves and make you feel good and comfortable. So with that, I may veer more towards the Vital still because of that price point, but being in Florida in the midst of summer and wanting to wear leggings when I work out, these ones may do it for me a little bit more. So I'll link up both of those below. If you shop directly from the links, they do help support me. I truly appreciate it. Let me know if you guys need anything else, want me to review anything else. I'm here for you. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.